Hi guys, in this video we look into check permutation. Check permutation. Given two strings S1 and S2, we have to write an algorithm which returns true if these two strings are permutation of each other, else it should return false. Right? A simple way is if we check length of the S1 and S2 strings, if they are not equal, then we can return simply false. Right? If the two strings are equal, are permutation of each other, then the length should be equal. So the first condition, we can check this one and return true. So there are two ways we can solve this problem. One is brute force naive approach, where we compare, right, loop through the each string characters and compare with other string characters. For example, A, B, C. We pick A and compare with, for example, second string is D, E, F. Compare with each character of the other string. Right? If we find if we didn't find this character, A character, then we can simply return false. Right? If we find first character, then we need to compare, check for the second character, compare with D with B, D with E, and D with F, and C with D, C with E, and C with F. So the time complexity of this algorithm will be where we will be brute force approach is O of n square, where n is the length of the string, and the second approach is where we can sort the two strings, right? S1, sort the two strings S1 and S2, right? So for sorting, it takes, because length of the both of the strings are equal, so sorting algorithm will take 2 n log n. N log n plus n log n is 2 n log n. So this is the time complexity of this algorithm. So let's go and implement the algorithm in which we sort the two given strings and compare them and return the result. So go to id here. Id is what we can do is, it's already implemented. Let me delete this. And delete this as well. Let's implement. So in the first place, let's check the length of the each string. S1 dot length is not equal to S2 dot length. Then we can simply return false. Return false. Else we can return we need to write this function sort S1 dot equals to sort of S2, where we sort both the strings and compare the result of the strings. So we need to write this function sort here. Static, it returns string, and function should take input as string and return the string. So what we'll do is get the first character array of this string, is input character array, and we can sort this, sort this, and return new string of, sorry. So let's run and see the output of this program. Right, in the first, here line 18 19 we compare the length, and here we are sending these input strings to the sort for sorting, and then comparing the output of those sorted strings. If that is equal, then we will get true, else we will get false. So I am running this program, F10. So let me enter the input A B C B C A. It returned true, so one string is permutation of other. So let's run one more time and give the input wrong input, like the two strings which are not permutation of each other, A B C D. Enter and false. And equal string, let's try for equal string length, two strings having equal length. So A B C D, enter D E F G. It should return false because the strings are not permutation of each other. It's false.